Hi, it's Chris from Leicester Drones, and we are going to have a look at the B&W hard case for the DJI Mini 2 combo. So like B&W cases, it's a good hard case. It's got a carry handle, a valve, so the air pressure can be maintained in the case if you're on an aircraft. There are two catches here to open the case, and when they're closed they do sit flush, so it's less likely that you can knock them open. Let's open the case up. Inside the lid you've got this nice foam to keep everything nice and secure, and in the back there you've got space for bits and pieces, mobile phone, paperwork, anything really. Nice little feature is that this pocket in the lid has been screwed on. They used to stick them on. I do prefer things screwed on, so that's a nice improvement. B&W do make a nice case. We've been selling them for a number of years. So the actual case itself inside, on the top there we've got space for the Mini 2 with the collar on to keep everything nice and tidy. That drops in there lovely. Then here we've got space for the remote with the control stick still on. That goes in there. Beautiful. And then this area here, you can have an individual battery or two can go in, or you can remove the foam, and if you do have the charging hub slots in. So that's a really nice feature. The case is really designed for the Mini 2 combo. And then underneath the drone you've got a little secret compartment down there, and you can use that for bits and pieces, cables, tools, spare props, SD cards. They can go in there. Your drone goes on top. Just show you a phone, an iPhone there does sit nicely in the lid pocket. So everything you need for your Mini 2 combo all goes in. The lid shuts. It's got a rubber seal in the lid, so it's dustproof, waterproof. Away you go. Thanks for watching.